In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can legally reuse other people's content on Instagram. Reusing content on Instagram involves repurposing or sharing media created by others on your own profile. This can be a valuable strategy for engaging your audience, showcasing relevant content, and building community. However, it's crucial to obtain proper permissions or give appropriate credit to the original creators to respect their intellectual property rights. Utilizing features like reposting apps or manually tagging and mentioning the creators helps acknowledge their work and fosters positive relationships within the Instagram community. Additionally, being mindful of copyright laws and Instagram's guidelines ensures that your content sharing practices remain ethical and legal. On your Instagram profile page, tap on these 3 lines and scroll down onto option of sharing and remixes. Then scroll onto this option of what people can remix and reuse. Allow others to reuse your content. By doing that, Instagram thinks twice whenever someone reports you, yet you have given them credit on a post. That's how easy it is to reuse people's content on Instagram. Don't forget the essential part of always giving credit to the original owner of the content. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.